alguns anos eu venho sonhando com esse momento. Um momento único de escalar em solo. Um momento onde você encontra a paz e a natureza ao mesmo tempo.
Depois de rodar o Brasil todo em busca do Psicobloc, a gente vem parar aqui. Esse lugar é a meca do Psicobloc. É perfeito para modalidade.
Se existe um paraíso, esse paraíso se chama Mallorca. Um sonho que foi realizado e hoje eu posso falar que eu sou uma pessoa realizada na vida, né? Bem-vindo à terra de Edição. Aqui não existe proteção fixa.
I'm slaying these hot rods out of my talk box. You are not rap, get back to your dope spot. I map out the proper words, rap urban raps you heard. Rap my life on 33 in the third. Chase infinity, drink Guinness and Hennessy. Smoke Dutchess and Kenji weed, spark my street ministry. I hold several pounds of pressure. Me and my dogs out to get you laid out on the stretcher.
I Dutch tone, infrared, concealed lag, cannabis, Coronaville. Caught on that hill when Los Angeles is close again. Lower the hoe, a Navy A3, take 3, hit to the drone, and pass the B, real dope flow. Nice west side, my calico. I illuminate, light grow, life through stereo. It's crime, Don, Cali Creek, so fuck it with no more. I show blow bullets and blast you with the fofo. Step into the line of fire, never killing your team. Step into the line of fire, never killing your team. Step into the line of fire, never killing your team. Step into the line of fire, never killing your team.
Shoot out my beam, speed bumps makes my heat swing. Still my aim sweet like Krispy Kreme. Velour vicious, Trump sacks blew him on the benches. Dinosaur dick up in his bitches. Mugs laced it, D's couldn't trace it. We diesel thugs, Averex is basic. Cal State Matrix, fake nigga wore Asics. Put C4 up in his basement. Dro twist up in the tall black Lotus. We keep the knots in the Novas with Minotas.